Escalopes, Lidl, Viennese style. How are you all? You okay? They're quite expensive these, £3.69 there was. I've never had them before though. So let's open them up, let's cook them, and let's try them. Yeah, so, from Lidl. I've never had them before, and I've just looked, and there is quite a lot of calories in them, isn't there? I mean, I don't know how big they are. I mean, they're as big as the box you're laughing, ain't you? I mean, it's 583 calories per one. So there's quite a lot of calories in that, innit? Where are we? Cooking instructions. Depending the size of them, I might do them in the air fryer, you know. If not, I'll put them in the oven, we'll see. I'm not going to deep fry them or anything like that. There's the ingredients. 68% pork, blah blah blah. Allergies, nutrition, there it all is. Yeah, and I'm going to have them with just a bit of salad. And I'm going to have some of these. Just some sliced potatoes. They're usually about 98p or something, but 30% off, and I got them today. That was from Aldi. And we do quite like them. So let's open these up and let's have a look what they're like. I mean the box is huge, but look, there they are in the box, look. So they're not the size of the box, are they? But they're still big. Still quite big then. And you look at the size of the box, so you know. But yeah, look at them. I ain't gonna get them in the air fryer unless I do one at a time. Not a cat in hell's chance. Okay, you can see what a lot of calories in them, can't you? Because they are quite big, aren't they? You know what, I might put an egg on top of mine, you know. Ooh, a nice egg. I don't know how to cook them now. I mean, I could do them in my other air fryer, I suppose. Nah, cause I still got to do two to do them separate anyway, so I might as well just do them in the oven. I'm going to do them in the oven. 200 degrees, fan assisted. I'll do them in the oven. Yeah, I'll get the oven warmed up. Right guys, what I've done, I've decided to do it in the air fryer. I've got it in, it's been in a couple of minutes. It's looking nice, if you can see properly. And I've also put the other one in that air fryer over there. I just thought it was a bit easier for me, that's all. I've just done a little bit of salad. And then what I'm going to do is, these are going to take about 5 minutes in the air fryer, so I'll stick them in at the end. Just to cook through. Right, it's done. There weren't really a lot to show you. I just stuck it in the air fryer and that's it, and a bit of salad. So, let me show you. There we go. Looks quite nice, doesn't it? I think so. So I couldn't really show you a lot. Put it in the air fryer, I just made an egg. So I like my eggs crunchy on the outside there. But I don't think they look too bad. And a massive bit of salad. I mean, there's them potato things. So what do you think, Bab?
I thought it was fish.
Not fish, it's pork.
Oh, yeah, it's just in the packet.
Were you scared to eat it, was it?
I cut it and I was like...
No, it's pork. Or have I just changed the label?
Trying to check now.
Let's have a crack.
I think it's quite nice.
It's quite nice. They're quite expensive, like £3.69 for two, but look at the size of them.
It reminds me of something, I can't remember what it reminds me of. I've tasted it, something similar. I've tasted it something similar.
I have as well. It's
can't put my finger on it. Bernard Matthews.
Yes, the Bernard Matthews turkey things. Doesn't it? Remember them?
Oh, remember those kids?
Them Bernard Matthews turkey
I used to get like dinosaurs and stuff with them.
That's what it tastes like, innit? A little bit, innit?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does.
Did you used to have them?
Yeah. Obviously, these are a lot better.
Oh, yeah. I understand
yeah,
that taste I've tasted
the taste.
before.
A bit of egg on it.
Obviously, it's not turkey, it's pork, but...
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
You know, but I can...
Mash the egg up. I do like them. Yes, I do. I didn't do you an egg. I should have done you an egg then. I didn't know whether you wanted one.
No, thank you.
I mean, you could have. Your dog's going to be mad at someone or something. I think next door's moving in. I'm going to wonky. I'm going to have to get a new tripod that's going a bit. They're massive, ain't they? I don't think I'd eat all that, do you?
No.
Could have it on a burger, couldn't you? Imagine, cut it up into about 3 and have a 3 stack or something. They're huge. They're not bad, are they?
No.
For cheap food, well, I mean, they're not cheap, are they? But instead of paying for the expensive meats and that, you know, they're okay. You could buy them, couldn't you, and cut them in half and have 4 for 4 here, because they're massive, ain't they? Are big, ain't they?
I reckon they'd be nice on a burger. With some salad on.
I've got some crabs for them to make one.
Yeah.
No?
Thank you.
Would I buy them again? Yeah, I would. I would.
They're nice with salad and stuff.
They're nice with that egg. Cut them in half. Egg on top on a burger with a bit of salad, lettuce and that at the bottom. I think you're laughing.
Yeah.
But all in all, I quite enjoy them. They're quite nice. What are they called? Viennese, is it? Viennese style 2 pork escalopes. The scallops, whatever you want to call them. £3.69 from Lidl. I haven't seen Aldi do these before. Otherwise I would probably buy some from Aldi, but...
I honestly thought it was fish. I even cut it up and smell it.
Thought it was fish.
Yeah, so I thought it was fish.
But I did tell you, didn't I? This is what we have, and I said scallops, didn't you? You didn't say anything else, you just said scallops.
You know, so I like them.
They're very filling as well. They're big and they're massive, ain't they?
We could have had a half each.
Yeah, they're huge. God. But hey, up, yeah, there we go. So I'm going to go and eat it now. I'm the old food guy. It's a like, it's a subscribe. These scallops from Lidl. Let me know you've had them, what you think. I don't think they're half bad with an egg on. Yeah. Till next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye. So I couldn't really show you much, it was just in the air fryer and it was done. That was it.